Man, look at these parts. They have nothing to do with our 69 Dodge Charger. However, they have everything to do with our 2010 Mini Cooper R57S. It's convertible. It hit 305,000 miles. Decided to go into limp mode, so we're going to go ahead and take this apart. We're going to find out what happened with it, and I'm going to take you along for that. And part of that also is so you and I can go back and refer to parts during this disassembly so we can put it back together, hopefully, in the right order, get it running again. That's the goal. So I'm going to go ahead and break this up into a few pieces because, well, it's a lot of technical information to digest all at one time with all of these parts, all these special tools. And, well, it takes me days to get this done. So I just want to also let you know that during this time, I probably, like you, like to listen to a lot of music while we're working. And there's going to be a lot of editing in this video, or I'm going to just go ahead and let you listen to what I listen to. And I'm sure we'll be all sorts of chopped up by YouTube. So, well, without a whole lot more dragging on, let's go ahead and get into this engine and get this torn apart. All right, that main piece is off. That was one of the connectors for it, and it stuck onto it there, as well as this stuck on it as well. So now we can get more of this off. Okay. Probably take this off. Okay. Yep. That one's off now. That one's undone. All right, that's off. Four bolts so far. Oh, looks like we got one here in the middle. Haha. Alright, so we got some sensors on the underside here. We go put this bolt. So loosen this connector. Okay. Pull this one off. All right, so okay, we got that one. These look like rubber feeds. Gotta be very careful this doesn't break coming off. All right. Intake manifold off. All right, so it looks like this. Just kind of fits. Right there. So this comes out right there. All right, let's trace the rest of these wires down. These are our injector thingies. Let me show you what the inside of a 300,000 mile engine looks like. Oh, it's just awful. Flicker.
Everybody round here's scared. One at a time they all appear.
Pretty light.
I don't wanna be just another one of your skeletons. You're 6 feet deep, like could have been so sweet, but better fasten your seatbelts. Call the police when I start to believe it. Everybody round here's got. Everybody round here's got. Everybody round here's got skeletons.
Boy, those injectors are very dirty. Yeah. Looks like a couple of vacuum lines here. We have the sensor here.
오빤 강남 스타일.
Sensor here, and these two vacuum lines.
오빤 강남 스타일. 오빤 강남 스타일.
Oh, these are plastic. All right.
오빤 강남 스타일. 오빤 강남 스타일. They separate us from our neighbors and they call it social distancing. It's actually a bigger plan. It's called social conditioning. They took away our privacy. There's always someone listening. The elections planning riots for the citizens. The government has always lied. It's history repeating. But the problem is the schools dumb you down so you believe them. If you try to speak the truth inside a tweet, then they delete it. Whole administration
there's the two.
who claim they praise in Jesus. Every year there's a new name for enemies that we're facing. It's Al-Qaeda, then ISIS, and now American patriots. Who would have thought those who love the country the most would be hated on by folks who call America home? Both political parties are equally just as evil. They've been working for themselves, don't give a damn about the people. Black, white, yellow, brown, humanity needs you. Cause united we stand, divided they will defeat you. The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they're lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust.
Y'all missing what was written in them pages. That was history they wrote, now you wanna change it. You racist, you hate this. Why you want us all to be locked up in cages? I can't stand
to hear you over the sound of our freedom. Y'all been filling up our classrooms with drag queens for kids. We think it's not appropriate, you tell us that it is. The complexities of gender and children won't ever mix when there's school shootings by women whose pronouns are him, his. I'm not Republican, but keep it 100, they making sense. The most destructive ideologies are coming from the left. I think Black Lives Matter, they think white lives matter less. And LGBTQ turned into WTF. Dear Democrats, I don't have nothing against the liberal, but the people representing you are communists and criminals. They've been starting World War III, we shipping missiles still. They don't want America great, they want it miserable. You can try to burn down the city, scream at the top of your lungs till you're dizzy. You can cancel everything and everybody in it, but it's not your
America.
You can burn the flag, get aggressive. You
can pretend you're progressive. I got my First Amendment, don't forget I got the second. And you can kill a baby anytime if you're pregnant. People so weak, feel free to take a knee. And you can't even speak, God forbid you disagree.
Yep, so it's just those three. Just those three. A little bit of clutch material there. Huh, so 300,000 miles worth. This works good. We're just going to clean this up. Put this in the pile. Oh, let's look at those teeth. All right, there's our top bolt, bottom bolt, and upper starter bolt and bracket.
You're such a PYT to me.
You can see missing pieces on both sides. So right in here. Broken, gone. Broken, gone. Dirty. Needs a good cleaning. All right, so it looks like we got a sensor here too. Okay, there's one. And this one here. Well, I don't know how I'm going to get that out. There we go. That one. take that out. Well, let's take the sensor off. Okay. There's one way under here. All right, just the three. Right here. This quit. Oh yeah, thermostat, water pump thingy. Same size. Looks like I got a Yep, you can see under here. That one right there. Gotta take that off. Nope, that's not a 7, it's an 8. All right, well, that's it for today. That's the end of part one. Stick around. We're going to do part two here pretty soon. Thanks for coming by, Bishops. Well, let's just say my yard is my garage, and I'm Bishop, your host. And thanks again for coming along. Go ahead and click down below if you want to subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when I drop some new content. And I thank you so much for coming along with this. Yeah, we'll get to the charger. But for now, let's just keep going on the Mini. All right, thanks for coming by. See you, bye.